In the vast Egyptian desert, the pyramids of Giza rise like man-made mountains, their triangular forms a familiar silhouette against the sky. For thousands of years they have stood as silent witnesses to the rise and fall of empires. The Great Pyramid, the last surviving wonder of the ancient world, is a testament to a civilization with extraordinary understanding. Without modern technology, they accomplished something formidable even today. The mystery is not just about a single technique or tool, but a grand symphony of quarrying, transporting, and lifting massive stone blocks. Each discovery deepens the sense of wonder, challenging our assumptions about ancient capabilities. The quest to understand their construction is a journey into human creativity and perseverance. The pyramids are a story of a civilization's soul, written in granite and limestone. They represent a connection to a distant past, a tangible link to a world alien to our own. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is a structure of almost unimaginable size, composed of an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks. Some granite blocks weigh as much as 80 tons, transported from Aswan, over 800 kilometers away. The pyramid stands at a height of 139 meters, its base covering more than 13 acres. The precision of its construction is breathtaking, with sides aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points. This accuracy suggests a sophisticated knowledge of surveying and astronomy. All of this was accomplished without iron tools, wheels, or modern lifting equipment. Tens of thousands of workers toiled under the relentless sun, quarrying enormous blocks with simple tools. The logistical organization to manage such a workforce for decades is a marvel in itself. The Great Pyramid is a monument to human endurance and the power of collective effort. It is a testament to what can be achieved with the simplest tools and the grandest vision. The most accepted explanation for pyramid construction involves ramps. Ancient Egyptians likely built ramps to haul stone blocks upwards, using sledges pulled by teams of men. However, a single straight ramp would have been as massive as the pyramid itself. Alternative designs, like spiral ramps, present challenges in maintaining precise angles. Internal ramp theories, supported by thermal imaging, lack definitive proof. While ramps and sledges were part of the solution, they feel incomplete. The genius of ancient engineers suggests there are still pieces of this puzzle yet to be discovered. Recent discoveries have offered remarkable clues about pyramid construction. The Diary of Mirror, an ancient papyrus, provides a first-hand account of transportation. Mirror details how his crew transported limestone from Tura via a system of canals. This discovery reveals the construction site as a bustling port city. Archaeological work confirms the existence of an ancient waterway and harbor. The Egyptians harnessed the Nile's power, showcasing hydraulic engineering and logistical planning. The Diary of Mirror transforms anonymous builders into real people, reminding us of their skill and resourcefulness. Profound mysteries like the pyramids attract fringe theories. Some suggest the Egyptians inherited techniques from a lost advanced civilization. Others propose ancient astronauts aided in construction. These theories lack verifiable evidence, often underestimating ancient capabilities. The true wonder is that the pyramids were built by human ingenuity, not external forces. Modern archaeology has overturned the image of slave-built pyramids. Excavations reveal skilled Egyptian workers, well-fed and cared for. The builders were valued members of a highly organized workforce. Many were farmers contributing during the Nile's inundation. The project united Egypt in a monumental goal. The Giza Plateau was a bustling city dedicated to construction. The pyramids tell us about the lives of ordinary Egyptians and their society. While many pieces of the puzzle are known, the complete picture remains elusive. We understand the who and how of transportation, but the precise lifting method is debated. The pyramids challenge our modern sense of technological superiority. They remind us of the boundless potential of human aspiration. The fascination they hold reflects our desire to connect with the past. The pyramids are a testament to a shared vision and human achievement. They are a wonder of the human world, a mark that will outlast time itself. Their significance lies in what they represent, the power of human will and collective effort.